EastEnders viewers have spotted chemistry growing between Eve Unwin, Heather Peace, and Suki Ponesar, Belvin for a while. There's certainly something happening between them, as recently, Suki felt comfortable enough around Eve to confide in her, revealing her husband will soon be released from prison. During that moment, Suki asked Eve for advice and wondered if she could organize some sort of restraining order so Mr. Ponesar can't see her or the children. As a new week begins, it's very clear Mr. Ponesar is on Suki's mind as she's desperately trying to stop Ash, Gurlane Kwagaka, from leaving Walford for a new life in Canada. Ash confronts Suki for meddling again after she applies for the GP job behind her back, but Nina, Ronveer's partner, overhears. Meanwhile, Stacey, Lacey Turner, prepares to meet Kierat, Jasdale, at number 31, but after Billy, Perry Fenwick, tells Suki he's heard people inside, Eve, Ash and Suki go in to check. After Kierat leaves, Ash lets rip at Suki about her behavior and storms off. Thinking they're alone, Suki confides in Eve and brings up the children's emotionally abusive dad, both unaware Stacey is hiding behind the sofa. The next day, as Eve meets Suki for lunch, she feels a spark between them and later, she chooses to lean in for a kiss. But what will happen next? Does Suki feel the same way?